Hello, in this video I will demonstrate you the functional flow of our Power BI desktop connector. So after installing our module, you will be able to see the same in your Odoo database. So first, by going in Power BI connector, you will be able to see different menus like workspace, data pipelines, Power BI reports, configuration and data processing logs. We will go through all of them one by one. So first, what you need to do is you need to create one configuration to connect your Odoo database with your Power BI desktop. So I have created one account over here under configuration. After creating the account, what you need to do is you need to go to your Power BI desktop, and then you need to click on get data from other sources. So here you need to search Creyox Odoo. Here you will be able to see Odoo Connector by Creyox Technologies. So this is one instance which will connect your Odoo database with your Power BI so that you can fetch the data from your Odoo to Power BI. So clicking on that, and I will click on the button connect. Then as soon as I will click on connect, a wizard will open, and here it will ask me to enter the Odoo URL. So now I need to go to the configuration which I have created. Then under desktop connector, here I will be able to see the connector URL. I will copy that URL and paste it over here. Then under Odoo access token, I will copy the generated access token and paste it over here. Then click on OK. Then you will be able to see the list of tables which are available in your Odoo database. So you can select any of those tables that you want over here in your Power BI. For now, I'm selecting contact and sales order. After selecting the required tables, you need to click on load. So once you click on load, those tables will be fetched from your Odoo to your Power BI desktop. Here you can see the number of rows that are loaded for both of the tables. So here both the tables will be seen. Now if you click on that table, and you can select the rows that you want to show here in the report. So I'm selecting city, then email, employee, phone, company name, complete name. So it's up to you like which columns report you want to be seen over here. Whichever columns you will select from the specific table, you will be able to see over here in your Power BI. Then for the another table, that is sale order, same thing you can do is like you can select the columns that you want. For example, name, invoice status, then state of the sale order. Then you can select the partner ID as well, the amount, the tax. So this way you will be able to see the report over here in Power BI based on the tables that you have loaded from your Odoo database to Power BI desktop. Then what else you can do is, now this is your Power BI desktop. Now if you want to publish it on Power BI online, so what you need to do is click on publish. First you need to save the changes, then you need to give a name to your file like contact sale order. Then you need to save. After saving, it will ask you to select the destination, like in which workspace you want to publish it in Power BI online. So I will select my Odoo workspace and then I will click on select. So here you can see like it's being successfully published to Power BI online. Now from here, if you click on this link, then you will be redirected to Power BI online. So I am clicking on that. So you have been redirected to Power BI online and your report is visible over here. It is the same report which was seen in Power BI desktop. Now by going here and view semantic model, what we have provided is like here you can refresh it using this refresh now option. So this is useful whenever you have made any changes in your Odoo database, like here in Odoo. By going in contacts, if you are editing or updating anything in this contact, like for example in this contact you are changing the name of this first contact. So now if you go to this refresh menu and click on refresh now, so whatever changes you have made over there in Odoo will be updated over here in your Power BI online as well, and you will be able to see the same in the report. Also we have provided one schedule refresh. So like if you go to schedule refresh, then refresh, so here if you enable this refresh schedule, and then you need to select like whether you want to run this schedule action daily or weekly. If you click on daily and then you select one specific time, then every day on the added specific time the data will be updated automatically over here in your Power BI online. And if you set weekly, so you can select the days over here, like on which weekdays you want the data to be updated. So this way you can refresh the data from your Odoo database to Power BI online. Then one more thing is like if you go to your Power BI desktop and again you click on get data, like if you want some other tables. So first I need to select Creyox, then click on connect. Again you need to enter the Odoo URL, also the access token. Also you can fetch the data using the SQL query, like if you want to load the purchase order data over here, so you can write the query and then you can click on OK. So here you will be able to see the query result. According to your query, the table will be seen over here. The purchase order, as we have written purchase underscore order in the query, and then if you click on load, so that new table, that is of purchase order, along with the older ones, that is the contact and sales order, all of the three will be loaded all together, and you will be able to see those table over here in data. Like here you will be able to see this contact query result, that is the purchase order and the sales order which you have fetched earlier. And along with this, this is the functionality which you can see in your Power BI desktop, and if you publish the same report in Power BI online, then the changes are visible there. And if you have a Power BI of Microsoft Fabric as well, so there also you will be able to see the same changes. So this was something about the functional flow of our Power BI desktop connector. Thank you.